Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and we're getting back to normal. But anyway, yeah, we're sitting here at the RV resort here in Phoenix, and beautiful palm trees. But we are expecting big storms today. Yeah, they've already got flash flood warnings out for basically the whole city, the whole valley of the sun. You can see, yep, we can feel raindrops right now, but you can see right there, it's coming. So, yeah, this is Saturday morning.
A little back to normal.
A little bit back to normal, yeah. October 15th. So, yeah, we're bringing you guys real time here. And we're going to go find some things to explore this week, too. So will be in this video also. But look at that airplane up there. Kind of neat, backed up against the clouds up there. So yeah, we're feeling raindrops, and we'll show you how crazy this storm gets. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, you guys, yeah, the weather held off for quite a while, but now it's almost 6 o'clock at night, and we've got apparently 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter size hail headed our way. We're the blue dot right there. The stuff is headed up, basically right up the I-10 from Tucson at Casa Grande. But anyway, by the way, this app is My Radar. It's a great weather app. All right, we'll see what happens here. It's getting close. Okay, the wind's picking up. The wind is picking up, and that's where it's coming from. That is southeast. It's coming. See how dark that is? Ooh, ow, stepped on rocks. But okay. Yep, wind's picking up. Okay, you guys, that definitely petered out, which is good. I didn't want 70-mile-an-hour winds or quarter size hail. But there is another band coming after a bit here too. They just keep coming up from Tucson, Casa Grande, like right up the I-10, just like waves every hour or two. But yeah, okay, the desert needs rain. I'll let you know if it gets any worse. Okay, that was a big nothing burger. It rained pretty much all night, but nothing severe. Yeah. Okay, let's go find something to do. Hey you guys, yeah, we're here at a park on Cactus Road that we used to come to. And look at Lisa going here. Look at this. Utterly amazing. God is great. Okay, we'll show you some friends of ours up here. Hey, what'd you have?
I had a turkey sandwich. Gone.
Chicken sandwich.
Oh yeah, chicken sandwich. That's right. I had chicken sandwich. Some lettuce. Some tomatoes and cucumbers.
And who put that all together?
You made lunch today.
I did make lunch today. Yeah.
Well, you made part of lunch today.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, you guys, we're at this city park in Phoenix, and we used to come here during the COVID lockdowns when the tyrants had us locked down. But yeah, hundreds of duck and geese and pigeons. We usually get up at that table up there, closer to the water, but he's got it. Got shade. It's still getting pretty warm here, upper 80s today. So we thought we'd come here and sit in the shade. next week it's gonna cool down. Where the highs are gonna be in the mid to upper 70s or mid 70s. So yeah, we're gonna do some more exploring and get out of town here a little bit. There's some lakes, and well, you guys know Arizona. Well, we'll show you Arizona. There's tons to do and see. But how you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling pretty good. They do get tired using the walker.
That was quite a ways.
Yeah.
You guys can see Bear clear over there. Sidewalk down this way. We cut across here. We'll probably kind of tough going through the grass, so we'll go back to the sidewalk. But yeah. My gosh, you were moving too.
Yeah. But it was fun this week. I got to go out with a girlfriend. Went out to dinner and met Taylor's boyfriend's parents last night. And yeah, had a good time.
Hi there. You're moving right along.
Yeah, we're trying to get there, trying to transition from a walker to hiking poles.
Yeah.
Hiking poles to walking.
What happened?
He had a procedure, a heart procedure.
Oh.
Kind of knocked him for a loop.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, he lost some weight in the hospital. So we're trying to get the weight back on.
Yeah, she had
An aneurysm.
7 weeks ago.
Yeah, so.
He had an aneurysm. Oh, you've got, I didn't.
Yeah, I get my walkers right here too, yeah.
Well, that was a nice conversation. Then Tom and Mary. Tom had a procedure not long ago, and he's out trying to get better with his walker. Yeah, so we just sat here and compared
Horror stories.
Yeah, medical notes. So, oh, there's a goose. The kids kind of scared them all away. They'd come around and swarm us and want some of our food. But anyway, where were we? I don't know either. But okay, I know this is going to be another shorter one, but thought you guys.
We'll be back to showing off in Arizona here soon, and just have to give you an update of my health.
Yeah. So yeah, we had a busy week, but we will be back next week. So hit that notification bell.
Next week that's not wedding, is it?
No.
Oh, the week after that. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Share this with like-minded people. Yeah.
Please be patient. We are just kind of working our way through all this.
And the bills are starting to come in. So pray for us there too. God bless you guys. We love each and every one of you. See you next week.
What they're gonna do with the peanut butter sandwich.
Well, they all got a little piece of it.
They broke it down, that's for sure.